guys, I'm proud to show you guys my first Blender project that took me 2 months to build. So first of all, here is the BobbleHead robot right here. We had to flip it upside down so we can print it. It's better printed upside down because we don't want the overhangs to start messing up. So now let me show you guys the full body. And we're just gonna push this one, and here it goes. This is what it's supposed to look like. And this small little round thing in the middle is supposed to be the spring, where the spring goes inside of. And yes, for the body, it had to start off with the body, the arms, and the legs. So I went to show you guys the program I used, where I watched, and then I had to watch all of these, do every lesson until I got to print and run and print assembly. So yeah guys, this was my Blender project that took 2 months to do, and I hope you guys like this. And also this BobbleHead was painted blue because he painted his blue too, so actually you can paint it any color. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.